The other day I went over a bump in the road and started getting a intermittent scraping sound, and I couldn't tell originally where it was coming from. Thought it was actually a front wheel, maybe a bearing, or his back wheel. This was actually the left back side, driver's side of my Tahoe, and looked under here, and this is a dust cover. This isn't supposed to be bent up like this. Should cover up the rotors right here, but this is all rusted out. This vehicle's 22 years old, and I live in Minnesota, so lots of road salt and vehicles rust. But this, thinking right here, this piece, when going over that bump, it just wiggled this enough so that was then hitting on the rotor periodically, and it would come and go, and intermittent problems are usually hard to figure out. So I'm just going to take a flat screwdriver and just pry this out a little bit. I don't want to remove what remains of this dust cover. It looks like actually this covered all around here, and this is all rusted away. I'm going to need to replace the dust cover here. There's a piece down here too, and there's a piece that's coming right off. And I want to keep as much of this on there as long as I can, because this keeps rocks and things from getting in here, and then they'd really make a racket. But here, this pried out a little bit now. I can take this little piece, and it's whoops, there, big piece of rusted steel just fell out. It's surprising how much noise that makes, but hopefully that'll eliminate the problem. But it was just like, oh no, there's a wheel bearing going out, and that's a huge project. But this is a pretty simple fix and easy to check. Be sure and check out my other videos.